Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a closing Colchester 17 by 60 inch lathe, 4-jaw chuck, there's the chuck key, 3-jaw chuck, we cleaned it up, everything had light surface rust from sitting, you can see that there's some speckles on it, very light pitting from sitting, but the ways are in perfect shape, no visible wear. Taper attachment, bunch of tool holders, Allura CA tool post, there's your steady rest, Morse tape another 5 tailstock, put a drill chuck in it, a good live center. Down in there is the support for the taper attachment. Digital readout works fine. That's your cross feed. There's your longitudinal. The light in here makes the numbers look a little blurry, but that's just the sunlight right on it. We'll run it through 1 speed in each range. You can hear that this gears run fine. Right now we're in the high range, so we'll run it at 666 RPM. Stops nice and tight. Okay. It's 207 RPM. Is 65 RPM. Here is 20 RPM. Reverse works fine. Slides all move smoothly. I'll do 890, but I don't like to do much more than that with a chuck on it. Half nuts lower. Those we gotta go down to slow speed. 87 RPM. Get it out of there. Here's your threading dial. Here's your half nuts engaged for threading, so your half nuts are working. We've installed new V-belts in the head. There's 4 new dry belts and 1 belt that runs the oil pump. You can see it's pulling oil up to the window. So we just spray the machine now with rust inhibitor before we pack it in the sea container. Just wanted to make the video to show you that everything's running fine. You can check out our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.